did you?
Good job. What about the other sock?
Alexis has a heel.
Yep, the key is to get it over your
Head.
No, that's a You're silly. Okay, what's next? On your head. Can you show me how you take off your pants? Hop up, kiddo. Take off your pants.
That's almost ready.
I know. We better have all our clothes off, and then he can take it. Give you a shower.
Quick.
Quick, quick.
Quick.
Quick, quick.
What are you doing? What are you
Sweetie, stop running. Take off the pants.
That was a word before. I have to go poo-poo.
You have to go poo-poo?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. But it's a little bit of gas, sweetie. Remember, we're going to use that word instead.
I want a gas coming.
Okay, let's take off our pants.
I poo coming.
Okay.